In this demonstration, I want to show you SaveSorb's power to not only absorb but encapsulate hydrocarbons, fuels from water. In this glass, I have 3/4 filled with water with an empty glass. I'm going to pour some automatic transmission fluid right on the top of this water. You see it gravitate to the top. I'll then take about a half a cup, maybe a little more of SaveSorb, pour it right on top, give it a couple minutes. It's already starting to absorb, encapsulate the transmission fluid on top of the water. I'll take a piece of cheesecloth, put over the glass, and watch as I pour the water into the other glass. All you'll see is pure, clean, filtered water come out. The SaveSorb has encapsulated all of the transmission fluid. And to prove, we've tested this with benzene strips. No benzene in this water. Clean, fresh water. SaveSorb not only filters oil and fuels from water, it also filters heavy metals. I'll show you what's left is just the SaveSorb and the fuel encapsulated. You'll watch, see the clump? That's all just fuel. All in one big encapsulated blob. SaveSorb. On land or water, there's no better absorbent around, people.